back to my channel. Hi. I'm sick right now. Today is Monday. As I said in my last vlog, I told y'all my throat was hurting, and that was just the beginning of a cold. Yesterday, it was actually Easter Sunday, but I wasn't able to go to church. But that's okay. I'd rather be safe than sorry. But today is Monday. As I said in my last vlog, I tried to do Benson knots on wet hair, and it didn't turn out the way how I wanted to, just because I didn't have the Benson knots in for like a day. I didn't let the Benson knots dry fully, so I kind of already knew what I was setting myself up for, but I just wanted to experiment anyways. So yeah, that was a fail. But the next day, which was yesterday, I did mini twists, and also I've been wearing my braces. Well, no, I've been wearing my rubber bands, and look at my teeth. Like, it's no overbite anymore. Like, look. Can you see? Like, this is so cool, y'all. I've been wearing rubber bands for almost a year now. And to be honest, I have not been consistent with wearing my rubber bands. Like, I only wear my rubber bands at night. I forget to put them on throughout the day. But since I've been resting, I've been wearing my rubber bands consistently. And I really started to notice, like, a really big difference. Like, look, I don't have no overbite anymore. That's so cool. I'm supposed to wear my rubber bands almost all throughout the day. I can only have them out for 2 hours. I got my braces done December of 2020, and I was only supposed to have it in for 2 years, so I was supposed to get it taken off last December. But like I said, I haven't been going to my appointments on time. But yeah, I think that's basically it. I've been talking a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow, or if not, whenever I decide to pick up the camera.
Some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make some simple change. Me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Choose the right, but it will bring up in front of me. All the while, I wait my favorite. Still wanna try, still believe me.
Wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away.
Is this okay? Is this bothering you? Because it's bothering me. But hey, it's been a while since I talked to y'all. I'm so sorry earlier for rambling. Like, I was talking for about 5 minutes. I just be talking honestly. Like, yeah, I don't really have that many friends, so you're my friend, and I just be talking to you. So please don't mind me rambling. I don't know, but
trying to roll me up. I ain't picking up.
it's been a while since I've talked to you guys. I wanted to post this video today, which is Sunday, because I tried to post once a week, but lately I haven't been consistently doing that just because, like, you know, I'm trying to end this semester off strong and everything. I also have micro internships, so I just been like working, preparing for the summer. I think I'm gonna move this out the way just because it's very like ugly. So today is Sunday. It is April 23rd. I just came back from church. I guess I can show you how my twist style is looking right now. I didn't stretch it or anything. I just used the pick to like pick it out. I feel like this is day 5 hair. Yeah, my twist style actually, it don't even look bad. Like, it don't look bad at all. This is actually my favorite. Like, I love when my hair starts to look like frizzy, but it still coils. Like, the shape is not really giving right now, but yeah. And I didn't stretch it out. Like, I've just been putting ponytails in my hair at night. First, this is the front, and then the side. I don't know how. Yeah, the back of my hair be looking flat, and I feel like that's embarrassing because it's like in the front it looks full, but then when you turn to the side it's flat. I feel like that's very embarrassing. But to help with the flatness, I just like use my hands and, you know, just separate the curls or shake, do whatever you gotta do. This is the side, the back, the other side. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't have comfort anymore. Like, I don't, can you tell, like, can you hear my voice? But I think I'm gonna put my hair back in the ponytail. What you think? Like, should we just leave it out or what? Like, what you feeling? I don't know what I'm feeling. It's honestly up to you. I don't know. But yeah, I really love twist styles. I don't know if I told y'all, but my hair needs to grow because obviously, as you guys can tell, I'm a natural hair creator, so I'm always in my natural hair. And my hair has not been growing. Like, I'm gonna show you how long my hair is. This is how long my hair is. And I feel like it's been this long for like a year now. Like, my hair has not been growing. I don't know if it's just me. Maybe I need to get my hair straightened to see, but I feel like my hair has really not been growing. So to fix this problem, I want to start to like grow out my hair with mini twists as a protective styles. I think I want to do this for the first half of the summer. So grow my hair out in mini twists and twist styles, and then the second half of the summer, I actually want to do a protective style with weave. Actually for my birthday as well. My birthday is in July. This is how long my hair is to the side. I definitely need to give her some breaks because, like I said, like I'm always in my natural hair. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do to like start to grow out my hair and see if it like makes a difference in my hair growth. And I'm not gonna use heat as well because usually I like to stretch out my twist outs with a blow dryer to, like, you know, make my hair big, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna embrace my shrinkage, and, you know, of course, as the days to go by, it's gonna get bigger. Ponytail costly. She gonna put that ponytail, haha. This is cute. Like, why my ponytails, it can never look tight. Like, it's like I have to use a shoelace and then make sure I tie it really tight for my hair to look like this. And it's like, I'm not gonna do that because why walk around with a headache just for your hair to look a certain way? Like, not me. My room, it needs to be clean. I have to vacuum my room, and then I also have to put up my laundry, so I have to fold up my clothes and then hang up my clothes and all of that good stuff. I cleaned my bathroom yesterday. I didn't show that, but we definitely did clean our bathroom. Yeah, my bathroom is so ugly. Like, what is this? Like, okay, this is not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be on the side of my door. This is very ugly. Like, I don't know. Is it ugly to y'all? Like, it gives like very like old. Like, I don't like that shower curtain. I just want to redo my whole bathroom. Like, it's just so like what is this? like you thought you ate? Cause you didn't. You didn't eat with this. Like, this is very like no. So I'm gonna get my bathroom right probably in the fall when I come back to my humble abode. I'm gonna miss my apartment for the summer. If you don't know, I'm gonna be at Disney this summer. I have an internship. So I have to clean my room. It's not really dirty, but I have to just like organize everything and then vacuum my room.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag sauce and you tell me I can trust you. Don't die. I could really use it. So trust me, I could trust you. I could really use it. I could really use it. So much I wanna talk about, but I ain't got no one to talk to. I'm always trying to work it out, how it always falls through. And I know that I get rough, but I just wanna feel love sometimes. Show me I can trust you. Don't lie.
Y'all, tell me how I was going through my clothes, right? I found a bra that I wore my freshman year of high school, and I could still fit it. Like, I had tried the bra on, and I could still fit it. And that's crazy because, girl, when are you going to grow? Like, I don't know when I'm going to grow, y'all. Like, I literally have the same size clothes and bras that I wore my freshman year of high school. And I'm about to be a senior in college. But it's okay. It's okay. We're going to grow one day. Probably when I'm married with kids. That's probably when we're going to grow. But until then, I'll enjoy my skinny body. My skinny body. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Our room is clean, our bathroom is clean. My sister and I cleaned the apartment together. Like, everything is all nice and organized for next week. So yeah, I really hope that you guys clean y'all space, make y'all schedule, and get things done. Be productive, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. God loves you, and I love you, and we is out like a booty crack.